Nice.
Nice one.
One person. Go back. Nice one. Okay, even team number 2 is done with second goal.
Guys, faster.
Nice one. Good one.
Too slow now.
After crossing the
We have to be fast.
boundary,
Too attention.
one cup ahead.
Fast.
Ready? Go back. Balance. Okay, both the teams are in equal position as of now. Okay, now team number 1 is leading. Only 3 more cups remain.
Good one. How many games? Nothing was working. I can win.
Slow. Come on. Start again.
You need to hold it. Okay, now team number 2 is leading. Team number 2 One round is done by team number 1. 2 and come on! The real round has started! Good one. Balance team number 1 and your team number 2.
Team number one. Slowly.
Okay. You got 3 more rounds. Second round, the real has not yet been started.
Nice.
Nice one.
Don't press hard. Same pressure.
Let's walk.
Okay.
Let's try.
Asa. Five. Lung thu bằng na moi lai này coi là chừng.
It is not the. It is the.
One final. Slowly.
Slowly. Team one.
Slowly.
Team one. Team one. Team one. Team one. Team one.
Slowly.
Yeah, this is our last round. Yes.
All non to chita. All the non to chivo. Na mo lu chuk sungai beng pai lau chun. Hey, all the. We are the champion.
Okay, guys.
Kai. No, listen. Auntie, come here. Elena, come this side. Elena. Hey. You all have to carry the ball without falling down till there.
Till the line.
I think they will keep place to keep inside.
Need to make it tight. No.
Okay. Slowly walk together. Okay. This is team 1.
Guys, don't do trials on the cone. Carry it.
This is team number 2. Go in one speed together.
Trial, it's a trial.
So team 2 and team 1.
You need to complete, remember.
Come on, slowly. Slowly.
Watch out. Slow down. Balance yourself. Oh, restart. Go back. For them. No, not that. Oh, restart. Not that. Okay. Balance. First balance.
This side, little bit. You all move this side. Okay.
As of now, team number 1 is leading. Team number 2.
Team number 2, come on.
Yes.
Come on. Keep them slow.
Both the teams are in equal position as of now.
Come on. Slowly.
Slow down.
Come on.
Down. No. Towards left. This side.
Right side.
Come on, guys. Slowly.
Slowly.
Team number 1.
Come on, good. Slow. That's last for us. For them, one more is there.
Watch your back.
Come on, slowly.
Round is done by team number 2.
We win.
I saw. And game.
Right. Right. Good. Almost, Richie.
Okay. This is almost end of the second round.
Right. Left. Right. Keep walking.
Okay, team number 1 is done with second.
Whoa. Okay. Whoa. Good.
Team number
Okay.
and game over. Team number
Okay, stand and go. Come on. Stand. Alright, careful. Come on again. Try again. Till success. Come on. Put your hands straight. Come on, stand up. Yes. Come on. Step 1. Don't keep the corner. In the between. Yeah. Come on. Yes, that's it. Come on. That's it. Come on. One more step. Come on. That's it. Come on. Only one more step. Then you are done. Come on. Yes. You done it. Kai, come.
This one is easy. Go to the slide. What? Hey.
This is the cafe where. Okay. Enter. Ay. Oh, boy. Oh, no. Oh, for what? Yeah, you like. Okay, good. Okay, lucky cake. That's so big, also it stuck my phone.
Andrew. One, two. One, two.
Kabur kita. Bawa kita. Mama, mata. Ash, bawa kita here. Sayang ni थे यूं मुझे लगा तो.
Listen up. The cake is from Area 83. I hope you guys must have enjoyed the day well. Thanks for coming to Area 83. Thank you so much. Anyone's birthday this month and then coordinators head. Go! Alright, thank you so much. Please enjoy the cake.
Okay, thank you so much.
It is eggless so that everybody can have it.
Thank you so much.
So you can take the cake.
Salun trên rồi gió nên khi khen dòng lẻo hẹn iki mu to che di tere nei chung chit chat screaming. I put video and he's join Lexu grand. Khen dòng lẻo hẹn Zain tai khai apan lut kit tai. Ano me. Sun cây rong ai gai lu. Rong rong nang ai lu. Ji sun cây rong ai gai lu. Yon sẽ lung ghen thế lên gió xin
cho cái lỗ lỗ cái bằng plan nó chọn cho anh cái suy giao cho na cái chỗ đấy bạn cái lỗ về một tạ sản mình cho mà sản này đang cần phúng phun phát một trà vest lỗ đi trong khát reverend phun
Ele Advent Christmas su chang an ne khat ni na ta gung da hau ni Isaiah chapter 40 verse 3 Prepare the way of the Lord, make straight in the desert the highway. Christmas ni sunga hi amasa hin ewoin iman na pa su Christmas khati advance kiti hi misunderstanding advent to ga kiloti ma hi de hi bo hin advent Christmas hi Bible la tin bodu mong he tin chu unde poina izong le is Christmas season leading up to Christmas day ichi pa chu irwan man hin advent piti su arrival or coming tina hi pichi hi api pe na hin eho in purpose of celebrating the advent Christmas piti hi thum se ye khatna Christmas roi le pakai ni su lei se na anahu na ta se pe chu Galatia bung li chang li apat chang ma chan hin laya hin when the fullness of time had come God sent forth his son part pha chun pathin chapa so dai ama hin lei se na anahu sa hin eho in to our Advent Christmas to celebrate God's greatest gift with great joy. Na, ipa le thanong ta in pathin achapa san khat e ho dinga gift a pe pa hi si hi hon ipa
ai this side nghe nó last momo ni tao chỉ tao thế nghe
Paul
ông thầy đang tao lăng Gol lang Andrew. Pi thai si. Kakitol tawe. Kakitol lui. Inverbo kitol tawe. All see. No. Hey. Why?